I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text someone on TikTok. First, let's cover the basics. To send a direct message, both you and the other person must be following each other. This is a key privacy feature. Also, make sure your own privacy settings are configured to allow direct messages from friends. Once these two conditions are met, you are ready to begin. Simply navigate to the profile of the person you wish to contact. Now that you are on their profile, look for the message button. It's usually located near their profile picture or bio. Tap this button to open the chat window. A text input field will appear at the bottom of the screen. Type out what you want to say, keeping it concise and clear. After composing your message, simply tap the blue Send button to instantly deliver it to your friend. To view and manage all your ongoing conversations, head back to your TikTok home screen. In the top right corner, you will see a paper airplane icon. Tapping this icon will take you directly to your inbox. Here, all your direct message chats are neatly organized. Simply tap on any conversation from the list to open it up and continue your discussion right where you left off. Here are a few important tips for direct messaging. Beyond just text, you can also share photos and short videos directly within your chats, making conversations more dynamic. If you ever receive messages that are unwanted or inappropriate, remember you have the option to block that user. Finally, always be respectful and adhere to TikTok's community guidelines to ensure a positive experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.